On Mother's Day, I wanted to share this painting for every mama who's lost her baby. I'll share in this video the process for creating this 3D texture painting. I started by using heavy body acrylic paints with modeling paste. That's my texture paste for this painting. Using a parchment paper, I made a homemade cone to fill the color inside so that I can pipe it on the painting, just tracing on my sketch that I've already made. And here's the result. You can just stop here if you want it to be just as simple, but I wanted to add some daisies at the bottom and to surround the baby and the mama. So here are the colors that I'm using for the flowers. I used the palette knife with a round tip for the center of the flowers. In case you've made any mistake and you want to correct that, just simply scrape it off and paint over again. I used here this Q-tip dipped in water to clean the place. And just let it dry and paint again. Here's the final result. Tell me what you think in the comments, and you are welcome to ask any questions. I'll be doing more tutorials soon on other flowers types, so subscribe if you want to learn more. Thank you so much for watching.